Engaging. Okay, right. Let's do it for clearly. Yeah, Pak. Yeah, Pak. Okay. Attractive. I just did one word. Student oriented. Yeah, that's one word. That's one.
Okay, this idea is called Bible lesson. Okay, that I'm solving. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen,
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Dianinda Hapriani, the Senior Country Manager for Indonesia from Cambridge Assessment International Education. I'm very pleased to collaborate with Fatih Bilingual School as one of the schools that offer Cambridge curriculum among 220 other Cambridge schools in Indonesia. Fatih Bilingual School has a variety of programs and qualifications and activities that can unlock the potential of each student in this school while maintaining Acehese and Indonesian culture in an international standard of education. I believe with the Cambridge programs and qualifications, Fatih Bilingual School will be able to provide the learning pathway for its students to achieve their success in the future. Thank you.